Dan. There you go, mate. Why did you enter?
Oh, I just thought I wanted to test myself again. I'm a builder, test my capabilities and...
Yeah. And you enjoy it? Building?
Love it.
Yeah? Yeah, so what year are you at now?
Third year apprentice.
Third year apprentice? Want to go? Yeah. Alright. You want to work for yourself eventually? Overseas? Oh yeah. Pretty sought after over there. Kiwi builders will get a job over there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, it's all good. Alright mate, I won't hold you up, I'll let you carry on, we'll come back and see how you get on, mate. Okay mate, all the best. Yeah, and do you still think that?
Oh, looking around, some of the boys are pretty quick, but yeah.
Oh, okay. So what year are you at now? Second year. Yeah. Oh, yeah, a couple of days. So at the end of your time, what are you going to do? You're going to work for yourself, go overseas, or?
Yeah, looking at going overseas. Haven't thought too much about that.
Very short after, eh?
Yeah.
But also work here in New Zealand is building up.
Yeah,
more and more of you guys. All right. Okay, I won't hold you up. Carry on all the best. Right, how are you? Look, how you doing? What did you end up?
What I ended up challenge myself.
Yeah.
Saw the plans and it was challenging, so I thought I'd get it done.
Oh, okay. And so how far are you progressed now?
I've done quite a few parts of some of the top end first.
Yeah.
Cutlass and then sort of now put the cover together. So
Yeah. Okay.
I've got a few more cuts to go. Now the stuff.
So how'd you find the drawings? Okay.
Yeah, good.
Understandable.
Yep.
That's good.
Yep.
And what year are you at?
Into my third year now.
Good year. Okay, one to go. And at the end of that, what are you going to do?
I'll probably stay on with the guys I'm with and just
Yep.
keep pushing myself and
Okay.
get better at being the leading hand.
Any thoughts of doing your OE something?
Eventually I've already been overseas.
Oh.
But I will probably go.
Yeah.
Happy where I am.
Oh, cool. All right then, we'll let you carry on and all the best. Good. Thank you, mate. Yeah. How are you, mate?
Oh, good, thank you.
Yeah. So what did you into this?
Oh, we're building a playhouse for the kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what about yourself? Do you think it's a good challenge for you?
It's a good challenge for me.
Yeah. Yeah. You can read the drawings okay? Understand them?
Yes. Okay. Fine.
problem?
Yes.
Okay.
No
And
problem.
what year are you at?
I'm
Your
a-
apprenticeship?
I'm year 2 now.
Year 2.
Yeah.
Okay. So at the end of your time, what are you going to do? You're going to go overseas and or you're going to work for yourself or?
No, I'm looking forward to work for myself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Employ people and things like that.
Yes,
and
employ
then,
people.
And then teach them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will see people in the future. I will employ them.
Yeah, good on you, mate. All good. Okay, I won't hold you up. All the best to you.
Thank you.
Right, how are you, mate? Yes, how you doing? So what did you enter?
Prove to my boss that I'm actually pretty good.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And you hope to sort of, if you did that, and you win, you'll be able to ask for a rise. Oh, well, fair enough. Yeah, well, right. That's the only way you're going to get around here. So what year are you at now in your apprenticeship?
Just coming up to the end of my second.
Second year, okay. So when you've completed it all, what are you going to do then? You're going to stay on with your boss, or are you going to go overseas, or?
Sort of pay back the time, shoot off overseas, do a bit of overseas and come back.
Yeah, oh, cool. Right. All right, so and you want to come back to New Zealand and work for yourself and employ some apprentices?
A bit later on down the track.
Yeah, well, that's fine. I know, 10-year plan or something like that. Yeah.
Not sure where I'll stay with my sister. Go on my own. With someone.
Yeah, I'll see how it plays out. All right, mate, I'll let you carry on. All the best, yeah.
Hey, David, nice to meet you.
Yeah, okay. So what did you enter?
Sort of Lenny took me into it, but I was like, oh, maybe I'll go for competition.
Yeah.
Put my skills to see how good I really am.
Yeah.
But it's not just that, it's just sort of for the fun of it and the experience.
Oh, fair enough. Fair enough.
Experience as well.
So what year of apprenticeship?
I'm actually a fourth year.
Fourth year is your final.
Yeah.
Okay. So at the end of your final, what are you going to do?
I'm staying with the guys I'm with now.
Yeah.
And but I definitely want to go. I want to go to the ring, sorry.
Yeah.
Experience the world out there.
Why not?
And then, maybe come back. When I come back to Auckland or wherever, might decide to go down the line or something.
Yeah. Want to work for yourself eventually? Yeah. And then you'll be able to teach some apprentices for the future.
Come back to uni, teach you some apprentices.
No, right, mate. Okay, I'll let you carry on. All the best. Right. Okay. So, why did you enter?
Actually seeing to be able to pursue, just beautiful experience.
Are you a little bit nervous about it all? Right. Don't freak out. No, just forget about. You're the only person. How I look at it, you're the only person that's doing it. Right? Don't worry about them guys. They're probably all doing it wrong. You do it right. Right? And at the end of the day, we'll judge you on it. All right? So it's not about. But don't stress out over it. It's just a bit of fun. All right? You know, at the end of the day, you're not going to win $1 million. Right? It's an experience for you. Okay? So what year are you at? Second year. Oh, okay. So when you finished your time, what are you going to do? You're going to carry on with your employer, or?
I'm just going to keep going through the trust and
Yeah, and eventually you want to go overseas and maybe build overseas. So you get big money over there. Then come back and work for yourself or something like that. Okay. Well, we'll come back later on, but anyway, all the best here. You should carry on.